Alright guys, this is video 9.2. We're doing experimental probability today. So you need to know the definition, what an experimental probability is. And really all it is it's a ratio that compares the number of times an event occurs to the number of times the activity is performed. So for example, if we're flipping coins and we flip the coin 50 times and we get heads, so let's say we do a total of 50 times and we get heads 5 times out of 50, then our probability would be 1/10, all right, or 0.1. So that would be experimental probability. So in this case, you would need to know the number of times an event happens and the number of total trials that takes place. So let's try one. All right, let's say we have a spinner that is blue and red and yellow, and we spin it 1,000 times and we record what color it lands on every single time for 1,000 times. And this is what we find, that it lands on blue 448 times, it lands on red 267 times, and it lands on yellow 285 times. Let's estimate the probability that the spinner will land on red. So we're going to take the number of spins that landed on red, which is right here, and we're going to divide that by the total number of spins. You can get that two ways. You can either add these three numbers up, or you can look back at the problem where it says there's 1,000. So we're going to put 267 over 1,000 is going to give our probability. Go ahead and divide that out, which is going to give you 0.267. That would be our probability. If you were changing that into a percentage, then that would be 26.7%. So let's try this one. A marble is randomly drawn out of a bag and then replaced. The table shows the results after 100 draws, so that's what's going to be on our bottom. Estimate the probability of drawing a yellow marble. So we're going to take our number of yellow marbles drawn, which is 18. We'll put it over the total number of draws, which is 100. When you divide that, you're going to get 0.18. So 0.18, or 1/1800ths of a chance that you will draw a yellow marble when you're drawing marbles randomly out of a bag. Let's try this one. A researcher has been observing cars passing through an intersection where the traffic is heavy. Of the last 50 cars, 21 turned left, 15 turned right, and 14 went straight. So we're going to estimate the probability that a car will turn right. Don't get confused by all the numbers. So which one's going to be our total number? Is it going to be 14, 15, 21? No, it's going to be 50. There are 50 cars. So we can make it into this little table so it's easy to keep them straight. We're going to estimate the probability that the car will turn right. This is the one we're looking for right here. So we'll put the number of right turns over the total number of cars. That would give us 15 over 50, right? When we divide that out, that's going to give us 0.30. So about 30% chance that it will turn right. Go ahead and click on the link and do the homework, and we'll do some more practice when you get to class.